Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm thrilled to introduce a new line of warm and cozy interior decor designed by a Fauji couple to bring comfort and charm into their home. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of our warm and cozy interior decor. Creating an inviting entrance with lamps can greatly enhance the ambience of your space. As you can notice, an ethnic rug can be a beautiful addition to any space, adding warmth, texture, and cultural richness. A thoughtfully designed bar should be visually appealing with attention to detail in its design elements such as the choice of materials, lighting, and layout. The couple has beautifully added the subtle colors of sofas involves recognizing the ability to create a harmonious and calming atmosphere in a space. Orange wing chairs have been strategically placed, which can serve as statement pieces, adding personality and a flair to the space. As you can see, they have added these brass artifacts which add a touch of sophistication and warmth to any space with their rich golden hue. A beautiful tall bamboo plant adds a touch of natural beauty and tranquility to the space. And now comes my favorite part. Whether it's a small statue, a painting, or a larger sculpture, Buddhas serve as reminders of mindfulness and self-reflection in our daily lives. Their timeless beauty and serene expressions make them captivating focal points in a room, creating a sense of balance and serenity. Vibrant dining mats with their bold colors and lively patterns add a pop of excitement to the table setting, instantly brightening up the room. Personality to the coffee table, but also serve as conversation starters and sources of inspiration for guests. The selection of books can definitely reflect the homeowner's interests, hobbies, and taste. A beautiful landscape painting have a timeless appeal that evokes a sense of wonder and awe. can transform any space into a tranquil and inviting oasis. Thank you to all the viewers. Your engagement and interest are truly appreciated. Stay tuned for more exciting content and inspiration on decor every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you.